Hello and welcome to Math Easy. Let's take a quick look at these numbers we have here. We learned that if we move the decimal point, we change the number. So for instance, the decimal point is here. We moved it backwards, it became 123.0. When we moved it further, it became 12.30. Another movement made it to become 1.230. So you can see that it is right that when we move the decimal point, the number changes. But why does moving the dots a few spaces make a huge difference? It's not magic, but about something called place value. Today, we are going to uncover why every decimal point jump makes the number to either grow or shrink. In order to understand this properly, we are going to recall the power of place value in our number system. So let's say we have 1, 2, 3, 123. In this number, place value of 1 is in the hundredth place, and that is 100. 2 is in the tens place, that's 20, and 3 is in the unit place, and that is 3, right? If we decide to add a decimal point and have other numbers to the right, this 4, that is the first place after the decimal point, is the tens place, and the second place is the hundredth, and so on. I want you to observe something here. To the right of the decimal point, the value gets smaller. So each position is 10 times smaller than the one to its left. Okay, so now let's say we have 3.45. What happens if we move the decimal point one place to the right? That means it's going to become like this, right? 34.5. What do you observe? The 3 that was in the unit place is now in the tens place. That's 30. So is now 10 times bigger than its former value. Same with 4. 4 that was in the tens place is now in the unit place, also 10 times bigger than its previous value. So in essence, when you move the decimal point one place to the right, it's like you are multiplying the entire number, that's 3.45 by 10, because 3.45 times 10 will also give you 34.5. Now let's take 34.5. We are going to try to move the decimal point one place to the left. So moving the decimal point one place to the left is going to give us 3.45. If you have followed me up to this point in this video, it shows you are enjoying the lesson, and I sincerely appreciate you for that. But if you are yet to subscribe, kindly support me by subscribing to my channel. Put on your post notification so that when next I post a video, you will be the first to see it. Thank you. Now, what do you observe? The 3 that was in the tens place is now in the unit place, and the 4 that was in the unit place is now in the ones place, meaning that the values is now 10 times smaller than the way it was. So what it means in essence is that moving the decimal point one place to the left is like dividing the entire number by 10. So if you have 34.5 divided by 10, you're going to have 3.45. So you see, the decimal point is not just floating around randomly. Every time it moves, it secretly multiplies or divides your number by powers of 10, because it's changing the value of every single digit. I hope this helps you to understand the awesome power of the decimal point. If you did, kindly support me by hitting that like button and subscribe to Math Easy. I will see you next time. Bye.